guess the dog ain't used to boats. I'll see what's worrying him down in the cabin.
Just a minute, Salerno. I'll inspect that cabin myself.
Reach, Kendall!
Get him, Bert! If that fire gets to the ammunition locker, we'll be blown to bits.
Where's the ship? How are we going to leave this island?
Don't worry about that when we get ready to leave. Go on, pull for the shore.
How's the bad leg?
It's a lot better, but I'd hate to have to put much strain on it.
Dad! Dad, come here quick!
Most amazing. McCooey just now noticed it.
A great discovery.
In heaven's name, what?
Professor Bill has been trapping some specimens, but I'm sure that if he knew he'd captured an American citizen...
Why, Beth, what are you talking about?
Mr. Mallard here is from Tennessee. No doubt a duck hillbilly. I think we owe him an apology.
Tennessee State Game Commissioner. Why, that duck has migrated a long way.
It's quite reasonable, Doctor. They come here to nest, and no doubt fly south again before winter sets in.
It's like seeing someone from home.
Who goes there?
It's okay, George, it's I.
Dr. Monroe, it's Mr. Kennel. Done come back by himself.
I didn't think I'd make it.
What happened?
Where's Cuyahoga?
I tried to save Cuyahoga, but couldn't. When the fire reached the ammunition locker, the whole ship blew up.
With Cuyahoga aboard?
We better do a fade out.
Now we are marooned on this island. There's a trap of Salerno's. And that means that the two men in camp are pretending to be sick.
Look.
The first one you see, let him have it.
Look.
Kyogre! My Kyogre!
Tawny warned me about them.
Tony!
Get up, you two.
Without a ship, we can never hope to leave this island. Our only chance to regain civilization is for help to come from the outside. Even when Solano mutinied, captured the Alberta, I still had hopes that we could turn the tables and regain the ship. Now even that hope is gone.
We might try to build some kind of a boat.
No, without the proper tools, it would take years. If there was only some way we could contact the outside world.
Dad, the wild ducks. The one with the Tennessee tag. They'll be migrating soon. Why, we could...
You're right. Why, daughter, that's a marvelous idea. Notes with our exact position, flown south to America, attached to migrating ducks.
It sounds like our one chance.
I'll get a pencil and paper and we'll start writing the SOS now.
That's an inspirational idea, Doctor.
George,
Yes, sir?
go and relieve Caius.
You mean I gotta stand guard out all night by my lonesome?
You heard me. It's your watch.
Yeah, sir. Oh, me. I'm supposed to take your place, Mr. Caius. Y'all better get some shut-eye. No, I don't need that. This is my friend.
That this communication may be believed, I will endeavor to set forth such matter as can be verified by the Maritime Board of San Francisco. News came to me of the Lincoln Rand expedition of 1913 in a most unexpected manner.
Dr. Edward Monroe?
I'm Dr. Monroe. Do I understand correctly that you have a message for me from Lincoln Rand?
Yes, sir. Me and my men were earning our living fishing. That is, until we lost our boat. You see, sir, when our boat caught fire, we took off in the dory and started rowing for land.
Yes, but
That is when we found the bottle, and it had this note in it.
October 25th, 1913. My dear Monroe, these may be my last words. I sighted the island I have so often spoken to you about at dawn of the above date. It really exists at exactly the latitude and longitude I told you it would. You are my closest friend. Come and take the treasure waiting for you, a wealth beyond your wildest dreams. Goodbye, my friend. There is little chance we'll ride out this storm. I pray that heaven will protect Helena and the baby and bring them through safely. Lincoln Rand. That's Lincoln's signature, all right. I'd know it anywhere.
Dr. Monroe, do you know the latitude and longitude of the island mentioned in this letter?
Yes. Rand made a shrewd guess based on Indian legend and ancient picture drawings. Before he sailed, he entrusted me with all his documents.
Well, then there's no reason why we shouldn't outfit the Alberta and set sail for this island at once. Lincoln Rand may still be alive.
Excuse me, sir, but if you plan on making a voyage, I'd like to put a bid in for me and my men. We're all able-bodied seamen.
It's the answer.
I have the ship. This man offers an able-bodied crew, and the letter supplies our goal. What do you say, Doctor?
You must not decide hastily. This is a risky venture, and I have best to think of.
Of course we must go.
This expedition was gotten underway with very little knowledge of what lay before us. Day after day, we sailed into northern latitudes. And our crew, excepting the captain and bosun, was composed of unscrupulous members we did not realize until after we had landed upon the island. And at that time, we knew nothing of the treasure.
Some of the crew have left the ship.
Slono, Dirk, you men, come here. I'll handle this.
Why did you leave ship without orders?
Because we want our share of the treasure, see?
Treasure? What treasure?
Why, the treasure you came 3,000 miles to find.
Hold your tongue, Smyrno.
Now, wait a minute. Perhaps we've given these men just cause for their impression. We are hunting a treasure. And no doubt you men have heard us speak of it often. But the treasure we seek is scientific. Its value is the value of a new discovery for mankind. New plants, insects, animals, each contributing mightily to the store of human knowledge.
I say! Look! Look what I found!
Gold ingot.
A scientific treasure, huh? Insects, plants, and new kinds of animals. And to think I almost fell for that stuff.
One more move and I'll start shooting.
It was Lincoln Rand's son, raised by the faithful McCooey, who watched us that first day we were on the island.
Don't do that, mister, because I'm scared already.
Get me a drink of water. I'm burning up with fever.
I'll get you all a drink of water.
Get it a little closer. I can't reach it. Thanks.
We'll send as many copies as we can. In the morning, we'll devise some method of fastening the messages to their legs.
We can't make the packets too large or we'll hinder the bird's flight.
You're right. And the containers will have to be waterproof. Now, here's something.